him will go over that piece of trim that they already have up there, and then crimp down on it. Then they run the other end long. Probably can't hear me over the generator, but it takes a lot of people so that they don't kink that panel. So they're trying to carry it as a unit and try to keep it as straight and smooth as possible. Then they'll even go up all of the ladders as a team and hand it off to the guys up on the roof. So yeah, it takes quite a few people to make this work. Try to get around to where we're not right looking into the sun. That sun's kind of brutal. Wintertime sun low on the horizon. There we go. That's a little better. Some of the guys are up on the top roof, not ready to grab it yet. You can see that they have part of the garage done, trying to shield the sun. Part of the garage done, and they had to run over lunch hour and grab additional metal. Have it up on the roof. And that goes all the way across to the other side. Then that end slips up, slides up, and then they'll come back and crimp it later.
Yeah. How long was that? 783?
See if we can get a little better view of the drip edge and starter strip here. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully Lexi might be able to zoom in. So we got that drip edge and starter strip, and then that hemmed edge. You can see it right, yeah, you can see it. Hemmed edge, they'll come back and they'll actually crimp that down. Man, I can't see anything in the viewfinder. Yeah, they'll crimp that edge down all the way across there. So then on this side, they're just letting it run long, and they'll trim it off, and then there's a piece that'll hook onto the Z channel and go over the top of that. So all of these are running long. And so those will all get trimmed off. And they still have the transition to go around that edge also. So, coming together slowly. they haven't seamed. They started seaming over there. Okay, see the screws right here? A couple of dimples? Or can you not see it from there?
Sure.
Anyway, that's the edge. Then they'll have to come back and trim that off. And then wrap it with something. I don't know how they're gonna do that. That looks really good. So then there'll be something that covers this. I'm not exactly sure how that works yet. That looks really good. Alright, so then this gets hemmed over. They have a pair of pliers that'll pinch that onto this.
This onto this.
Yeah. And then all of this will get bent over and around when they do this, when they crimp this. So this gets crimped
Down.
twice. And then this'll get, I don't know whether this gets first and then this or what, but it'll all be crimped down. And then this is your drip edge that the fascia will come up underneath.
Okay.
Right? So the fascia will come up underneath here. And then on just this wall and the porch, we will then have guttering somewhere down here that'll come up underneath here also. That'll be right here. So this it does that right at the end, see it? So the water will come off here into our gutter so that it doesn't erode our concrete.
Gotcha.
Everywhere else I'm just letting it run off the house. Even down there I think I'm just letting it run off the house.